Hello students, today we are going to study the formation of differential equation. Now let us consider this example number 9. Y equal to c square plus c upon x, which is we are considering equation number 1. Differentiating with respect to x, then dy by dx is equal to d dx of c square plus d dx of c upon x. Therefore, dy by dx, c square is constant, therefore its differentiation is 0, and here another c is constant, therefore we are taking out from the term. Therefore, ddx of 1 upon x. 1 upon x means x raised to minus 1, which is equal to c into minus 1 into x raised to minus 1 raised to minus 1. Now let us consider the derivative. The derivative of dy by dx is equal to minus c into x raised to minus 2. Now c is equal to, therefore c is equal to dy by minus dy by dx upon minus x square. Therefore c is equal to minus dy by dx into x square. This is equation number 2. Now we are here we get the value of constant c, and we substitute this value of constant c in given equation. Therefore, consider our given original problem y, and by substituting c in that problem, y is equal to minus dy by dx into x raised to minus 2 bracket square plus 1 upon x minus dy by dx into x square. Therefore, y is equal to x raised to 4 dy by dx bracket square minus dy by dx into x. Therefore, y is equal to x raised to 4 dy by dx bracket square minus x into dy by dx, which is the solution of required differential equation. Therefore, we are formed here the differential equation which don't have any arbitrary constant. Now, let us consider the example number 10. Y is equal to 4 into x minus a bracket square. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to ddx of 4 into x minus a bracket square. Here 4 is the constant, therefore we are taking out. Therefore, ddx of x minus a bracket square. Therefore, this is the 2 and these 2 get multiplied here. 4 into 2 into x minus a raised to 2 minus 1. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 8 into x minus a, which is equal to equation number 1. Here we have taking the value of dy by dx. Now consider y is equal to 4 into x minus a bracket square. Therefore, y upon 4 is equal to x minus a bracket square. Therefore, root y upon 2 is equal to x minus a. This is equation number 2. Now substitute 2 in equation 1. We get dy by dx is equal to 8 into under root of y upon 2, which is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. That is 4 under root of y. Therefore, squaring on both sides, dy by dx bracket square is equal to 4y square is equal to 16y. Therefore, dy by dx bracket square minus 16y is equal to 0. This is the required differential equation. Here we don't have any arbitrary constant. Therefore, this is the required form of differential equation. Now let us consider the example number 11. That is ax square plus by square is equal to 1. Again consider this equation as equation 1. Then differentiate with respect to x. As we are differentiating with respect to x, therefore 2xa plus 2yb into dy by dx is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now 2a plus 2b into y into dy by dx d square y by dx square plus dy by dx bracket square is equal to 0. This is equation 3. Now we get the equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Now eliminating arbitrary constant a and b from equation 1 and 2, we get this matrix x square y square plus 1 2x 2y into dy by dx, here is 0, 2y d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx bracket square, and another column is 0. Now after solving this matrix, we know the rules of solving this matrix. First take this x square, then multiply this, and then this term multiply by 0, therefore we get 0. This term multiply by 0, therefore we get 0. Again consider minus y square, eliminate this row and this column, then 0 into 2x is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, and now consider minus 1 into bracket, eliminate this column and this row, then 2x 4xy into d square y by dx square minus 4y dy by dx equal to 0. Therefore after solving and simplifying, 4xy into d square y upon dx square plus 4 into dy by dx bracket square minus 4y dy by dx is equal to 0. Therefore xy, after eliminating or taking the 4 common from each term, we get xy d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx bracket square minus y into dy by dx, which is equal to 0. This is the required solution of our given differential equation. Now let us consider the example number 12. We will solve the one more problem, or take the one more problem. Y is equal to a cos of log x plus b sin of log x. Therefore differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d dx of a into cos of log x plus d dx of b into sin of log x. A into d dx of cos of log x plus b into d dx of sin of log x, which is equal to a into sin of log x upon x minus b into cos of log x upon x. Therefore x into dy by dx is equal to a sin of log x minus b cos of log x. Again differentiate with respect to x. Here u is equal to x and v is equal to dy by dx. Therefore x into d square y by dx square plus dx by dx into dy by dx, which is equal to minus a cos of log x upon x plus b into sin of log x upon x. Therefore x into d square y by dx square d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x, b into sin of log x minus a cos of log x. Therefore x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx, which is equal to minus a into cos of log x plus b sin of log x. Therefore x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. Therefore x square into d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0 is the given differential equation. Now let us consider the example number 13. Given problem is that xy is equal to a e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x. Differentiate with respect to x. X into dy by dx plus y into dx upon x is equal to a into e raised to x minus b e raised to minus x. Again differentiate with respect to x. X into d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx plus dy by dx is equal to a e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x. Therefore after simplifying this, x into d square y by dx square plus 2, this the both terms get repeated. Therefore 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into dy by dx is equal to xy. This is the required form of differential equation. We don't have any arbitrary constant here. Now let us consider the example number 14. In example number 14, consider y is equal to e raised to x into bracket a cos of x plus b sin x. Therefore y is equal to a cos x into e raised to x plus b into sin x into e raised to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to d dx of a cos x e raised to x plus d dx of b sin x e raised to x, which is equal to a d dx of cos x into e raised to x plus b into d dx of sin x into e raised to x. A into d dx of cos x into e raised to x plus b into d dx of sin x into e raised to x. Here we apply the u into v formula. By applying the u into v formula, a into bracket e raised to x d dx of cos x plus cos x into d dx of e raised to x plus b into e raised to x d dx of sin x plus sin x into d dx of e raised to x. Therefore, which is equal to a into bracket e raised to x sin x plus e raised to x cos x plus b e raised to x sin x minus e raised to x cos of x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to a e raised to x sin x plus a e raised to x cos x plus b e raised to x sin x minus b e raised to x into cos x, which is equal to a cos of x e raised to x plus b sin of x e raised to x plus a e raised to x into sin x minus b e raised to x into cos x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y plus a into e raised to x into sin x minus b e raised to x into cos x. This is equation 1. dy by dx minus y is equal to a into e raised to x sin x minus b e raised to x cos of x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, d square y upon dx square minus dy by dx is equal to a into d dx of e raised to x sin x minus b d dx of e raised to x into cos x, which is equal to a into e raised to x into bracket minus cos x plus sin x e raised to x minus b e raised to x sin x minus cos x into e raised to minus x. We, after solving the bracket and simplifying, we get here minus a e raised to x cos x plus a e raised to x sin x minus b e raised to x into sin x plus b into cos x into e raised to x, which is equal to a e raised to x sin x plus b cos x e raised to minus x minus y. From equation 1, dy by dx plus y is equal to a e raised to x sin x plus b e raised to x cos x. Therefore, d square y by dx square minus dy by dx, which is equal to dy by dx minus y minus y. Therefore, d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0. Now, let us consider the next example, example number 15. Y is equal to a cos of 4x plus b into sin of 4x plus c. Let us consider this equation 1. Our main aim is to eliminate this arbitrary constant a and b. Two constants are there, therefore we have to differentiate it for 2 times. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to a into d dx of cos of 4x plus b into d dx of sin of 4x plus 0. Then a into 4 into sin of 4x minus b into cos of 4x into 4. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 4 into a sin of 4x minus b cos of 4x. This is equation 2. Now, differentiate with respect to x. After differentiating with respect to x, we get d square y by dx square is equal to 4 into 4a minus cos of 4x minus b into 4 into sin of x, which is equal to 16 a cos of 4x plus b sin of 4x, which is equal to minus 16 y minus c. Therefore, d square y by dx square is equal to minus 16y plus 16c. Therefore, d cube y upon dx cube plus 16 into dy by dx is equal to 0. Hence, student, we have completed this topic, that is the formation of differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant a and b. Here the logical flow of the logical flow to solve this problem is very important. First, consider the number of constant. If there are two number of constant, then in the answer we have to differentiate for the two times, and after differentiating two times, the both the constant will get eliminated automatically, and after simplifying we can form the required differential equation. Thank you, students.